Hi there, it's Albert Lurk again from luckymaths.co.uk. This is the work solutions to the half paper 2B non-calculator version. So I've got a bar model to start with, 150 divided by 3, so showing basically 150 splits into 3 boxes, 50 per box. Metric conversion question 2, 1 meter is 100 centimeters, then we can use doubling to get 2 meters, and then 4 meters will be 400 centimeters. Question 4, algebra, f plus f plus f. You can see 3 f's. We're going to take 1 away. So f minus f there, I've kind of obviously eliminated those, leaving us with 2f. Question 6 about powers, and 7 about kind of rounding numbers and making numbers that add and multiply. Obviously can't really do anything visually there, but this question involving kind of shopping, let's say, spending money with bananas in pairs. We've got a ratio table to show the cost of 8 bananas. So 1 is 30p, 2 is 60p, 4 will be 120, 8 bananas are 240, which does leave £9.60 left of the £12 kind of budget. And therefore, if one pair is 45p, using the second ratio table, we're able to work out 2 pairs would cost 90p, 4 would be 180, 8 are 360, but 20 pairs would cost £9. So remember, I'm in pence, 900 pence, but £9.45, therefore, is the maximum we can spend with the money left to buy 21 pairs. Question 9, of course, is using this kind of table, if you like, to then work out the averages. So nothing for that one. Percentages, however, the ratio table is great to show again the breakdown from 100% down to 10%, which can be half to get you 5%. 10% and 5% therefore make 15%. So it's going to be 90 and 45, 135 for part A. Part B, if we're looking to increase by 70%, if I work out 10%, double it to 20%, double that to 40%. If we combine all of those answers, 40, 20, and 10% make the 70%. So 80, 40, and 20. Basically saying we're going to add that to the 200 we started with to get 340. Sequences, question 11. Haven't got anything for that one. But with fractions, what I've tried to do here is simulate the fraction by visually looking at it. Like what is a third of, the bottle or a third of a litre going to look like? And I've kind of split it into 6 parts, which means 2 out of 6 on the top row. And then we've got half a litre, which is 3 out of 6 for the evening. So one way of looking at it is kind of saying that there's 5/6 of a litre being drunk every day. And then you could times that by 30 days, I guess, to end up with 25. Or another approach to look at it, which I've put at the top, is that the morning. If 1 litre is going to take 3 days to be drunk, looking at the morning kind of bar model, because 2 out of 6 or 1/3 means, every 3 days you'll drink 1 litre. So in 30 days' time, you'll have drunk 10 litres based just on the morning drinks, let's say. And in the evening, if you drink half a litre per day, it will take 2 days to basically drink 1 litre. So 2 days times 15 days obviously gives us 30 days. So that's 15 litres for the evening drinks. So 10 litres and 15 litres will also equal 25 litres. Sharing ratio, again, is one of my favourite topics to do. When you visualise it, I think it just makes it a lot easier. So we've got the 2 parts and the 5 parts below. The larger share is going to be those 5 parts. So if we split 350 firstly into the 7 parts, each box is worth 50, and then the larger share is going to be 50 times 5, so we can see 250. When we've got this other situation now, obviously a third friend joins them, the money, 350, is now going to be kind of shared 3 ways, but it doesn't really affect the question too much, because instead of dividing by 7 boxes, we've now got 10 parts. So that's why 35 is going to go in each box. And then we're going to just add up the each, obviously total, we've got 70, 175, and 105. So the question is, the friend with the largest share get more than the smallest share. So we're looking at, if you like, person B in the middle, 175, take away person A, who's getting 70. So that's a difference of 105. And the final page is to do with area and then kind of rounding, kind of upper and lower bounds. So it's, again, nothing visually I'm going to show you. Hopefully that's been useful. Thanks for watching.